Hello friends, and welcome to our cozy home. I'm Gina, and today in Indiana, it's a perfect fall day. So I'm going to make a big pot of homemade chili, some pumpkin rolls, and later we're going to have family night. My youngest daughter's in from college, so her sisters are coming to visit. So I hope you enjoy. For this pumpkin roll recipe, you're going to need 3 large eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 2/3 cup of pumpkin, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix all that together. Then you want to add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And mix all that together. And then you want your oven preheated to 375. And it says to cook between 10 to 12 minutes, and I usually start checking mine about 10. But you want to butter your jelly roll pan, and then I put wax paper, and then I butter the wax paper. And then you pour your mixture on that. And I made 2 pumpkin rolls this day, but I usually make it each separately to make sure I know how much to pour in a pan at one time. And as you can see, I'm in my favorite pajamas. It's gotta be a comfy day. When the cake is done, I put it on paper towels that I have sprinkled with powdered sugar. I roll it, I leave it on the counter for a few hours to cool, and then when I fill it, I roll it in aluminum foil and stick it in the refrigerator for it to completely cool, and then I slice it when I'm ready to serve. For the cream cheese filling, you will need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 4 tablespoons of butter softened, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. And on this day, I made 2 pumpkin rolls, so I doubled my cream cheese filling recipe. We have a rule at our house. You have to eat the ends first because they're ugly. Gotta keep him happy. Okay, once I leave it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, I take it out and I just slice it. And I use a bread knife. You can slice it as thin or as thick as you want.
Dang.
There you go. Okay. Try one.
Do I want to try one?
Let me put a couple. There. You get the ends. You know the rules.
I'm sorry.
And it's a family favorite. And don't be intimidated by making these, because I was. My sister always made them, and then I was too afraid to make them because they look too hard. But it's really easy. And that's it. This is our youngest daughter, Marissa. She's in from college this weekend, and I made one of her favorite desserts, pumpkin rolls. Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good enough to make you stay home?
Pay my bills.
And for this chili recipe, which is actually my mom's, I used 3 pounds of ground beef, 2 large cans of tomato juice, 2 cans of chili beans, and about 3 tablespoons of chili powder. It's not a real spicy chili, but it's a good chili. And you're welcome that I muted this. After you get everything blended, I let it come to a boil, and then I let it simmer on low for a few hours. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you soon.